Welcome to my channel, Igmis. So this is my Igmis balloon. As you see here, it says Igmis, my channel name. Today I'm going to show you a few magic tricks with this Igmis balloon. Now I'm going to show you my magic tricks. I'm rubbing the balloon on my hair. I'm rubbing the balloon on my hair. Okay, now I'm going to put it. Oh wait, where is it, Miss? Here it is. They defeat that magic. Let's go. Now we're going to tell you the science behind this magic. When I rub the balloon on my hair, the balloon gets a negative charge, and the wall has a positive charge. So the positive and the negative, they are attracting together, and that's how the balloon sticks to the wall. Science! So, some of you may think, this is not real. We put glue or scotch tape. We didn't do that. I'm going to take it off like this. And look, there's no tape. That's just hair. That looks like that. See? Nothing. Now I'm going to do another magic using balloon pepper. So I need goggles. Let's put on my goggles. Goggles first. Then get the balloon. Rub it on my hair. Oops, my goggles fell off. And watch. See that? The balloon's giving some pepper. Pepper balloon. Cool. Okay, there's no more static. Guys, look at this, all the pepper sticked. I'm gonna wipe some. Oop. See? The pepper has a positive charge, and when I rub the balloon on my hair, it gets a negative charge because our hair has a negative charge. So the positive charge is sticking to the attracting to the negative charge, and that's how pepper sticks to a balloon. Science! Guys, this pepper is a very dangerous cooking item. So don't do this experiment by yourself. Ask a parent to sit beside you. Oh, lost me! Oh! Guys, see, I sneezed because of the pepper. Because pepper is dangerous. Now I'm going to do another magic using this Ignis balloon. Okay, go rub it on my hair. then static. Oh my goodness, look at that. Ha ha. One is dancing. One's dancing, then it broke. Look at that. That's so cool. It's usually going static. The balloon's losing static. There's a few here. Look at this. The balloon still has some static. But all the paper is stick to the balloon. Look at that. The science behind this magic was that the paper, which is cut into pieces, it has a positive charge, and our hair has a negative charge. So when we rub the balloon on our hair, the balloon gets the negative charge on our hair. Then the negative charge becomes static, and this is what happens. But you can pull them off. Okay, vacuum all over it. It's kind of like a vacuum balloon, but it's not a vacuum. It's static. That's the science. Okay. Now we're going to show you one last one. Magic using water and a balloon. Okay, let's rub it on my hairy. And turn on the water. And look at that. The water bends. Look at that! Look at that! Actually, I didn't do any magic. Magic away. It was science and static electricity. That was the science. Thank you for watching my channel and videos. I hope you enjoyed my science magic. Well, not actually magic, science. Please subscribe, like, share. Bye-bye.